So you are starting AI optimization journey, and these are the first steps you need to do on AIclicks to set it up correctly, and everything starts from prompts. So let's dig deeper into it. So whenever you added your brand name and the website, the tool will suggest you the prompts which you like to track. You can review them, accept or reject the ones which matches your business perfectly. You can ask to suggest more of the topics, or you can upload them one by one manually, or use a bulk upload through CSV file. So before going into the final result of prompt selection, let's look at the main principles of making the prompt research. So first of all, what you need to take into account that all of the prompts, they should mandate LLMs to give answers in terms of the brand names and listicles. So that's the core principle. Make sure whenever you're uploading the prompts that they are giving LLMs to respond in terms of the brand name. So they should sound like best providers, best manufacturers, best agencies, where to buy, who can help me out with, and so on. So that's a patterns which you need to look at while creating the prompts. The main logic is that none of the LLMs share exactly what's going on between the user and actual LLM interface. That's a black box. We don't know. There were a few attempts already shared, but maybe that's for another topic. So make sure all of your prompts describe all of your business and cover all products and services. And also think in terms of the hierarchy. So think of your major products and services. And usually I look, the simplest way for me is to look at the menu tab of my clients and to look what sort of products, solutions, or features these clients have. And every of such element, service category, can have multiple of targeted commercial transactional keywords, which later I will translate them into the brand discovery prompts. And here is the logic, like one product can have multiple keywords and multiple keywords can have multiple prompts. So one keyword might have semantically similar variations. So here are the logic. So let's think about an agency who provides paid advertising services. And that agency can be described. So that's the one topic, paid advertising. And related semantic keywords for it would be paid advertising agencies, PPC agencies, performance marketing agencies, meta ads agencies, and so on. So they are all related and more or less meaning the same, but LLMs can perceive and respond in different brand names. So taking into this into account, you can synthesize these these keywords to be prompts by adding best paid advertising agencies, best PPC agencies, best performance marketing agencies, best meta ad agencies. Who can help me out with meta ads? Who can provide me PPC services, and so on. So that's how brand discovery transactional commercial prompts sounds like, and that's how you think in terms of categorizing them in relevant semantic meanings. And the research of prompts usually happens through various sources, and these sources can be so one of them, as I mentioned, you just a simple brainstorm brainstorm exercise using your website menu and try to think for every product or service category at least several brand discovery keywords. Also, you can make an interview with your sales teams or the clients, how they are searching for your products and services. Basically, search engine optimization specialists, they are experts in that area, and they can provide you research from which you can use and synthesize all those prompts. Another source of truth where we can find the prompts is your Google Ads results, Google Search Console, Bing Master Tools, and various third-party keyword research tools as Ahrefs and SEMrush, where you will find the most frequently asked information search patterns. And just recently, Bing updated their webmaster tools, and you can find AI performance and grounding queries. So that might be some of the ideas, which you would like to use in your tracking. So that's the main principles, and this is usually how the final doc, at least from my end, looks like. So I categorize them based by the product or service category. These are the prompts, these are the keywords which these prompts were derived from, and I even keep the volume of searches. So this is how to do it professionally, trying not to miss everything and cover everything what's going on about your product in LLMs. And the upload file will look like this, starting from prompts and later categorizing them by topic. But more or less everything can be same achieved, not manually, but automatically using our tool. So simply add up your brand name, domain name, and the tool will do analysis for you. And you can go through that, accept, reject. And finally, you will get the table with all your prompts uploaded and categorized by the product or service category, and the data will be starting to be collected. And usually I look at this table to understand the priorities where I would need to make optimizations. So I can see in potential volume numbers where are deriving from our Google Ads Planner API, and I see visibility numbers, which are actual collected answers and actual visibility percentage of my brand being mentioned in those brands. So in some of the cases, AIclicks are performing super well. We're very well recognized by LLMs to provide Claude optimization services, but I guess in some of the areas there is a big larger competition, or it's a new sets of prompts being added where we did not do any optimization angles, like a service provider angle and so on. So if I see high volume and I see low visibility, that's a priority metric for me to set up my action plan for this area. And later, all of my activities and data tables I will be able to filter based by these topics and prompts. So let's take a look at it. I'm going into the source section, and I would be able to see the topics filtering option. Boom. And here you go, all the top sources which influence that particular SEO tools category. That's why it's important to track the most relevant prompts, brand discovery prompts, transactional prompts, because this is which gets you the best results later using the tool. So thank you for your attention, and let's move to another section, how to analyze the tables and data of the tool.